afternoon, everyone. Hi, this is Mansi here, working as a manager operations and quality control in St. Thomas Hospital, Chennai. Today, I'm going to talk you about infections and the hospital-acquired infections. So, first, we start with what exactly an infection means. Infection, an entry of microorganisms inside your body. Those microorganisms can be bacterial, viral, fungal, and parasites. So if we categorize the infections, it first comes into four categories. First is bacterial, for example like typhoid, tuberculosis, viral like hepatitis, flu, and of course a deadly virus disease which is affecting the worldwide, coronavirus. Now if we talk about the fungi infections, that could be skin infections like ringworm, yeast infections, and the another last category which I talked is parasites. It could be amoebiasis, malaria, etc. Now coming to the hospital sector, if we categorize them, there is one another category named as hospital acquired infection or nosocomial infection. What is this hospital acquired infections? When you enter into the healthcare environment like hospitals or some other centers like daycare centers, multi-specialty hospitals, single specialty hospitals, or a type of a healthcare center, you will find that an infection that comes to your body after entering into this healthcare environment which was not present before you entered this healthcare environment. That exactly means an hospital acquired infection or HAI. Now, if we focus on what is the criteria to recognize as an hospital acquired infection. Suppose if we go to the hospital for a medical treatment and we acquire an infection into the body within 48 hours of stay in the hospital, or if we go for a surgical treatment and we develop an infection after 30 days of surgeries, it is known as one of the hospital acquired infections. Now, if we talk about what are the different categories of the hospital acquired infections. First is catheter associated urinary tract infections known as COTI. I'll give you an example for that. Now, suppose a patient has been there on a catheter and they develop an infection within 48 hours or 2 consecutive days after having an indwelling catheter inside their body in the hospital premises. They may be categorized as COTI infection. We'll go into the other criteria of COTI in detail in our next slides. Presently, I will talk you about the other types of hospital-acquired infections. Another is VAP or a ventilator-associated pneumonia. Third is bloodstream infections. And last, of course, is surgical site infection, which I talked about in the beginning, that within the 30 days of surgery, you may acquire an infection. That could be an SSI, a one type of a hospital-acquired infection. We will talk about these hospital-acquired infections in detail further in our next sessions. For at this present, thank you.